Hello, every night. My name is Andre Mendoza. I am from Peru and I am Peruvian. I live in Chiclayo and I am 19 years old. Today is my friend's day. I am award. I am very happy to meet it. I am old. I would like to tell a little about myself and I am preferring. I love pizza and chicken and I like listing hamburgers. I am whole low drinking orange juice. But I like the slight trinity coffee. Richard music. I love listening to pop music. And I love listening to reggaeton. And dislike listening to heavy metal because I am too loud music. And in my free time, I like playing soccer and watching movies. I also like spending time use I am family preference. However, I'm dislike getting early and I am hating cleaning the house. I am very excited toward this new you and how to hide great experience with all all who you want. Thank you from listening.